Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel tutorial again, Lore. Today I am going to teach you how to move Pi into the Mainnet wallet available balance. So be sure you stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel tutorial Lore. Let's go for how to move Pi into the Mainnet wallet for free. First, you have to open the Pi browser in your Apple or Android mobile phone and find the wallet option, and then click on the wallet option after that. Unlock it with your Face ID, and then this page appear in front of you. Currently, I don't have any coins. If you have coins, you will see the coins in the history. Now go to the migration option, and you will see your coins with a date. Now you have to wait for your coin date to move it. So this all in today's video. Hope you must have understood that how to move Pi into the Mainnet wallet available balance. There is no easier way than this. If you still don't understand anything, then you can comment. I will definitely reply to you or make a video on your topic. Hit the like button and press the subscribe, drop a comment. It motivates us. Thank you for your view.